In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use if in Google Sheets. So for column 1, if the number is 1 to 4, I want column 2 to say bad. And if the numbers are 5 to 7, I want the text to say good. So what I need to do is type equals if, and then I'm going to select this cell, and I'm going to say if it's less than 5, comma, open quotes. So if it's less than 5, we want it to be bad, comma, open quotes. But if it's higher than 5, essentially, we want the text to display good. So if we click enter and we drag the formula down, we can see that 1 to 4, as we said, we wanted it to display the text bad, and 5 to 7 displays the text good.